So today I'm talking about equations and inequalities. And so the word problem is that Jeremy owns a world-famous lemonade stand that has two simple items in its menu, lemonade and strawberry lemonade, which has only been recently added. On one especially busy day, Jeremy serves a regular family of 5. 2 of them decide to have lemonade while the other 3 decide to have the strawberry lemonade, which costs them $18. Soon after the family stop by, another customer comes and proudly proclaiming his love for lemonade, he purchases a dozen drinks, 6 lemonade and 6 strawberry lemonade for $42. How much does one of each type of lemonade cost? So that's the problem. The first step is to turn the word problem into a set of equations. So the first equation is from the family that ordered 2 regular lemonades and 3 strawberry lemonades for $18, which would look like this. L is for lemonade and S is for strawberry lemonade. And so that would be 2L plus 3S equals 18. And then the other equation, which is from the other customer who bought 6 regular lemonades and 6 strawberry lemonades for the cost of $42, which is 6L plus 6S equals 42. The first method that we'll be using to solve the equations is the elimination method. So here is the equation. So we need one of the variables to be the same so that they can be eliminated into each other. So we take these two, it doesn't matter which variable, but we take these two and times them by each other, so that'd be this. And then you subtract this equation with this, so the 12L would cancel each other out, and you would result in 6S equals 24. And then that would be 24 divided by 6 equals S, which results in S equals 4. So now that we know that S equals 4, we can take any of the equations and solve for L. So just substitute 4 instead of S, and the result would be 2L plus 12 equals 18. And if you subtract 12 from both sides, then you get 2L equals 6, which is L equals 3. So that's how we get the answers through elimination. The next method is graphing, which the first step of the graphing method is to turn these equations into a equation that we can turn into a line. So we have to turn that into that. To make things easier, we can turn X to strawberry and Y to strawberry lemonade. So the first equation we'll use is 2x equals 3y plus 3y equals 18. So the first thing we'll do is change the 2x to the other side, which will result in 3y equals 18 plus 2x. And then change the 3 to this side, which will divide the whole thing by 3, which can be written as y equals 18 divided by 3 minus 2 over 3 x, and 18 over 3 equals 6, so it can be written as this, which results in y equals negative 2 over 3 x plus 6. The other equation is 6x equals 6y, and 6x plus 6y equals 42, which we basically do the same thing. And then it results in y equals negative x plus 7. These two equations on the graph will show us a point where they intercept, which the point is 3, 4, which shows us that x equals 3 and 4 equals y. So this is the same result that we got using the elimination method. So both of these methods really work pretty well. I found the graphing method to be harder, but when you get to the graph and you can visualize the graph better and see the where the lines intercept, the elimination method seems easier to simplify. You don't have to turn it into an equation that you can easily graph. You just have to times them by each other, and I found it to be quicker, and that's all.
Yay!